Okay, so this is the finished hardcover traveler's notebook style junk journal. So if you didn't want to take the time to watch the full video of how I assembled everything, I'll just give you a quick flip through. It's a Reader's Digest book that I gutted. It's got one signature. I tried to do, it's my version of the hollow back binding. Never actually done that before. so whether or not I did it correctly, I don't have any idea. But it seems to be working well. So I did not. This is actually, I cheated a little bit in that I made myself, when I printed my Christmas kit for December, for my journal, I printed the patterned paper, and I printed the dot grid pattern. So I ended up making 3 signatures. So I know I'm only going to use 2 of the signatures, so I actually used, though this one is actually my favorite one, because it had this paper in it. But I think my friend will like it. She plays the piano, and it's got this lace on it and this little joy charm. So I think she'll like it. But my idea was, she likes to cook, and she likes to bake, and she is a wonderful mother, and I thought this would be kind of a neat little thing for her to put recipes in for Christmas specifically. And then that could be like, either, she could gift it to her kids, or even her grandkids when she has them someday. It would be a nice little gift from grandma, so, or gift from mom when she's, but she can do whatever she wants with it. That was just my idea. So I did put a little card in here. I tried to use this vintage photo distress ink, but I had used this one earlier, so it ended up with, I didn't change my thing. I wasn't thinking, and so it's dark, but that's okay. I don't think she'll care, and I think it looks kind of neat with this page being next. So I'll just flip through it quick. I didn't put any ephemera inside the journal. This is all tea-dyed, tea-stained. This is these are some printouts that I did, and then I tea-dyed them, and because of the way the ink is in my printer, it actually melted through to the other side. So it's a really cool effect. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So, and I just did a little stitching here and there. I did have to, some old sheet music. I did have to cut this down just about 1/4 of an inch so it would fit in the book. It's still a little tight even, but I didn't want to take too much off of it. Again, it's just one signature, so it'll be 32 pages, I believe, front and back. Nice little short book to journal in. And then in the back, I made one of those accordion fold pouches that Johanna Clow posted a YouTube video on, like a how-to, and so I'll link to that. But it's just made to hold a little bit extra in the back. And then these are, I feel like there's one more thing in there. There. These are the things, I snipped these from some Tim Holtz paper. So some of these little guys. And the Christmas tree. I didn't want to, here's some lace. This is vintage. I love this. I think it's so beautiful. And I wonder if you can hear my son upstairs. Sounds like a nut. But he's 6. What are you gonna do? Okay, so, and there's some lace I snipped for her. There's some stickers, which I think are really pretty. These 2 little tags I made. And then some of my digital paper that I stitched together. I used parchment and made a little pouch. Because she likes to bake, again, I used those tart recipes. There's a little pocket I made from the front and back of a postcard printout. And then I added 2 vintage postcards from 1910. Well, this one's 1907. And then just couple little things. So I am going to meet her for lunch in about an hour and see if she likes it. I think she will. She's a very, very good friend, and I gave one of these to her daughter for graduation. It's not a hardcover. This is a little different than, I just gave her basically an insert when she graduated from college. That was the first journal I had made. But I think this will be a nice thing. And then, next year, if she likes it and she wants me to, I can make her another insert, and she can take this one out and put in a new one, and then she can reuse the cover. So that was my idea, is that it's reusable, so she can use it from year to year. So there's a little charm. Might be added a little bead, a Noel charm, and a jingle bell. So yeah, it just closes like a regular old notebook. So I appreciate you watching. I hope you like it. Leave me some comments below and let me know what you think. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.